I'm now over here on the Morris oil stand, and we've got a wonderful racing car which the guys are supporting, and I'm here with the guys from the University of Wolverhampton who are running it. So guys, can you tell me a bit more about your involvement in this first of all?
So we're both students on the University of Wolverhampton Racing team. Between ourselves and a group of other guys, we run the car, so we engineer it, we set it up for every round, and apart from our driver and our race engineer back at camp, we do it all.
And again, can you tell me a bit more about the car, what it is, and yeah, how it's running?
Yes, it's a Dallara F308 with a Honda Mugen 2-litre engine in it, heavily air restricted to a 26mm restrictor, which means that the power is not the most impressive thing about this car, but the chassis and everything like that is really where we get our speed from. Obviously the aero aids, as you can see, but yeah, so it's a very, very competitive car this season, which is good.
I know you're racing in the F3 Cup. How's the season going for you guys at the moment?
So in our first round at Donington we had a P2 and then a P3 and then a P1, so we had our first win of the season. Following on from that we went to Brands Hatch. We had a P4 and then hoping to improve in our next race. Unfortunately we were taken out, so we didn't get to finish that, but we did manage to still get the fastest lap on the grid, so yeah, not bad.
And obviously you've run the Morris oil stand, you've got a relationship with Morris Oil. I mean, what do they give you and how's that working?
Well, obviously our sponsorships, motorsport's expensive, so as a uni we need our sponsors to give us some financial support, whether it be money or one of their resources. So with Morris we really enjoy the fact that they help us with our lubricants, not only on the race team but in the machine shops and things at the University of Wolverhampton. As well as the Morgan teams that we do, and we use it in the F3 car, as well as the coolant and their gear oil. So we do use a lot of the Morris products. And then obviously there's cash incentives from some of the sponsors. So yeah, we really do rely, and like Kate said, when we have an incident at a track where maybe we go off, it costs us a lot of money, that's where we really do rely on our sponsors to give us a helping hand back up and running and ready for the next race. So yeah.
Excellent. Guys, thank you very much.